Okay, and the same thing will apply to the image layer. So this is an image. Here, and then I have applied a ink layer above it, same ink layer, and same logic will be applied. Luma inverted. So you'll see the image is getting revealed. Then I have again apply, then I apply particles, a background, noise, and this all I have already told you. These are different. This is a different blending mode. As you can see, this is a bouquet effect, which I composited with a screen or overlay, whatever you like. You can put overlay also, or a little darker. But I just wanted the theme to look like a little bright. Bright देखना चाहता था, so I put bright screen here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then what I did, I just copied it, edit, copied, created a new composition, pasted that thing in the new composition. Let's rename the comp, say car 5. So yeah. So, and then the main thing you need to do is change the car image. So to change the car image, say you want to replace this image. So the first thing I did was I changed the image. So you need to first select the layer. This is important. Select the layer, then the image, and press and hold the Alt key and drag and drop. Automatically you can see the image will be replaced. For say for example, आपका image अगर छोटा या बड़ा दिख रहा है, if the image is looking smaller or bigger, you can always use a scale to fix the image size. Once you're done with this, obviously I need to change the color so it matches with our theme of the car. So to change the color, go to the layer solid settings. I'll just pick one color here. Let's close this. Okay, I'll take the white here. Okay, that's it. So I just duplicated all the layer from the car one, created a new composition, pasted it, hold my Alt key and replace the image with a new image, and then change my solid color. That's it. So you have to keep repeating it number of times you want your image to be animating in your main comp. It's up to you. I'll delete the car comp 5. I don't need that right now. So for the final project, I'll create a new composition. I'll name this as a main comp 2. Okay, and then I can come to the car comps. Now I have created a folder here. So I name this as a comps, and I brought all the comps to this folder. As you can see, say for example, you want to bring this comps to this folder. Just select it and drag and drop. Automatically all those comps will be inside. You can see it. Okay, so as simple as it is. Now from here what I did, I brought this composition. So I'm not bringing a single layer. I've created a new composition. मैंने एक नया composition बना दिया. और उसमें क्या करना, जो मेरे ये कार 1, कार 2, कार 3 के comps बने हुए हैं यहाँ पे, मैं इसको just drag कर रहा हूँ. So I'll just keep dragging. Say let's begin with 3 comps only, and then we will move to 4, 5. Okay, now I need to increase the time because मेरे को पता है कि मेरे को starting के मैं 5 सेकेंड रखना चाहता हूँ हर एक इमेज के एनिमेशन का. सो राइट नाउ ओवरऑल टाइम आई जस्ट गॉट 5 सेकेंड. सो आई नीड टू इंक्रीज द टाइम. मेरे को टाइम इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल गो टू द कंपोजिशन सेटिंग and I'll increase the time from 5 to 15. Scale it down. Just pushing, and then if I require more time, I'll adjust accordingly. Okay, so from comp one, I'm just removing this light effect for right now. So I got the first image, I got the second image, I got the third image. Now, from here, what I need to do, I have to create this all the three layers into a change this all three layers into the 3D layer. Right now it's 2D layer, so select कर लो 3D layer बना लो, and then I'll just zoom out ताकि आप देख सको. मैं यहाँ पे तीनों अभी लेयर को एक जगह पे रख रहा हूँ. Again, same reason, so you guys can see it. I don't know why this timing is limiting, but nevertheless. So what I will do, say layer number 3. What you need to do is this is very basic. Just select it and drag it outside. This is like कि ये पूरा world है. Now what will happen? मेरा कैमरा पहले यहाँ पे रहेगा. Then what I will say, कैमरा यहाँ से move करके यहाँ पे जाओ, and say मेरा second image यहाँ पे है. So let's say कि first image मेरा यहाँ है. तो मैं बोलूँगा कैमरा को, कैमरा यहाँ से मूव करके इस पे जाओ, and then इस और फिर इस इमेज पे आओ. So it will automatically create that animation which I showed you earlier. Now उसके साथ मैं क्या करूँगा ना, मैं थोड़ा सा इन इमेज में हल्का सा रोटेशन दे दूँगा. I'll show you. So just rotation दे दो. So I'll press R, Z axis. थोड़ा कूल दिखता है, so उल्टा रख देता हूँ उसको. जैसे एक टेबल के ऊपर ना इमेजेस नहीं फेंक देते हो आप, so kind of that effect. Same thing यहाँ पे. I'll do a rotation. As simple as it is. Okay, now before I start, I'll show you a very cool effect. जैसे starting में मेरा पहला वाला image जो होगा ना वो कैमरा animate नहीं कर रहा होगा, because it's directly to our main com. But second image करेगा and the third image करेगा, so it will be like that.
तो सेकंड थर्ड आपने 3D मूव किया कि 2D में मूव किया?
सारे 3D, सारे layer 3D हैं. It's outside the canvas. 3D इसलिए बनाना होगा क्योंकि I need to create a camera. अगर कैमरा आपको जैसे पता है कि इट ओनली वर्क्स विद द 3D लेयर्स, अगर मैं 2D रखूंगा तो इट वोंट वर्क. सो फॉर एग्जांपल
जी एक्सिस में उसको भेजा है दोनों पिक्चर्स?
नहीं, जस्ट मैंने ड्रैग करके बाहर कर दिया, लाइक दिस. मैंने इसको ड्रैग, देयर इज नो Z एक्सिस. थिंक अबाउट कि एक ही टेबल के ऊपर सारे इमेजेस हैं, आप उधर रख रहे हो. से फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे को एक और क्रिएट करना, तो डुप्लीकेट करके बस मैंने इधर रख दिया.
ओके सर,
जस्ट ड्रैग करना है, कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे इमेजेस को ड्रैग करके यहाँ रख देना, कोई Z एक्सिस नहीं. ओके, सो व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू गाइस, सी कि मेरे को क्या करना है अब यहाँ पे कि ये एंट्री शॉट है. सो फॉर दैट आई विल क्रिएट अ वेरी कूल इफेक्ट. मैंने शायद आपको बताया भी है. I'll show you one example also with that. Let me see if I have image. For example, okay, I'll just create his own com. Say this is the image. आपने देखा होगा ना कि बहुत टाइम एक say if you want to make this animated also आप कर सकते हो. इसको आपको अलग लेयर पर रखना पड़ेगा. कभी और मैं दिखा दूंगा कैसे आप इसको एनिमेट करना चाहो कर सकते हो. बट फॉर एग्जांपल राइट नाउ व्हाट आई नीड टू डू ना, कि मेरे को इसके अंदर ना स्नो ड्रॉप करना है. So I'll go to effect, simulation, and CC snowfall. Okay, so the intensity is very less. So effect, color correction, curves, brighten it up. Now I'm just going to drop the speed to say 10. I just want to look like more like a snow, slow snow movement, not that. 25, 10 is fine. Yeah, nice. So can you guys see the snowfall?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so once it's done, you can apply add or skin, whatever you like. Now, as you can see in here, I'll just make this darker so you guys can see them. Color correction, curves. Okay. So now as you can see, the snow are falling everywhere. I just want ना कि ये globe में रहे. Now when you put anything in the globe area ना, तो globe का एक property होता है. जो चीज ऊपर में रहेगा ना, जब ऊपर से स्नो आएगा तो बहुत पतला दिखेगा. It will be very thin, very small. But when it goes to the center, it will become bigger. And then when जब वो नीचे जाएगा तो वापस वो छोटा दिखने लगता है. So for that, what you need to do is add a effect. CC compensation. Yeah. So I'll just go to effects. Yeah, optics compensation. Sorry, not CC compensation. It's optic compensation. Just drag and drop it. If I just move it, you can see it's creating a something like this. So if I just play here, obviously I need to increase the layer size that you guys can do. But as you can see at the top, you can see is the snow are very small, but when it's coming to the center, it's again it's becoming very large, and when it's going down again, you can see it's small again. So you can create a very cool effect, kind of this effect with the optic compensation. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
If you want to do a reverse effect, right click time and you can do a reverse also. So it will look like the snow just going up. Another cool effect. Okay, so coming back to our main comp. So I just want to create that effect here also. So new adjustment layer, optic compensation. Now, right now, if I apply an optic compensation, it will squeeze the image. It will, okay. For some reason, if you want the effect to look like this, you can. But I want the reverse effect to apply. So I think I've already told you about this. But ठीक है, अगर नहीं बताया तो what I need to do? If I just start increasing, and I will do a reverse lens distortion here. So what will happen? It will feel like that is zooming inside the image, or it's going inside of water, kind of. The camera is going inside of water. So let's make it 150. I'll keyframe it. I'll move to say 2 seconds and zoom out the 0. So you will get a very cool effect. Cool. I'll just lower the time. Okay, so once I've done with this, now what I need to do is animate the camera from first image to the second image, from here to here. So for that, I need to first create a camera. That's fine, hit OK. Okay. Now, if you want, you can attach the camera to the null. आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो कि आपने रियल लाइफ में कैमरा कर दा और उसके साथ एक गिम्बल ले लिया है, ट्राइपॉड ले लिया, एंड ट्राइपॉड को क्या किया, कैमरे के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया. जो आप ट्राइपॉड को मूव करोगे तो वो कैमरा ऑटोमेटिकली मूव करेगा. सो फ्यूचर में आप बहुत जगह आप देखोगे कि लोग क्या करते हैं कि एक नल बना लेते हैं एंड कैमरे को नल के साथ पेरेंट कर देते हैं. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इफ यू मूव दिस, द कैमरा विल मूव इट. आप नहीं भी करोगे तो भी काम चल जाएगा, डायरेक्टली कैमरे को भी मूव कर सकते हो. बट कैमरे के साथ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. आप देख सकते हो जब मैं पोजीशन मूव कर रहा हूँ, सो इट्स रोटेटिंग रादर देन की मूविंग द पोजीशन. थोड़ा यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होता है. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल व्हाट दे लाइक टू डू इज कि वहां पे वो एक नल के थ्रू काम करना पसंद करते हैं. सो इट्स बेटर आप अभी से ही स्टार्ट कर लो कि जस्ट क्रिएट अ नल and parent the camera with the null, not the null with the camera with the null. Then come to the null property. I'll do undo first. Okay, so say for starting I like the animation, but after say 4 seconds to 6 seconds I want the transition from this image to the second image. So I'll position the keyframe. I'll go to 6 seconds. You can see the this layer has appeared because at 4 seconds there was no layer, but at 6 both layers are present. I'll just trim the second layer. I don't want till here. Okay, so position animation. from this layer to that layer. So I'll go to the 6 second. Okay, did I do wrong? Okay, so the parenting was moved, my mistake. Okay, so I'll bring the image. All I'm doing is just playing with the X and Y, and I'm trying to bring the image back to the center, and I'm trying to move the first image outside now. दूसरे वाले इमेज को सेंटर में ला रहे हैं कॉम्पोजिशन में, और पहले वाले इमेज को बाहर को, वो ऑटोमेटिकली चला जाएगा व्हेन यू विल एडजस्ट. सो आई एम adjusting automatically. You can see the first image is going outside, the second image is coming inside. So something like this. Okay, the animation looks slower, so I'll just make it a little fast here. Now I got a cool animation, but ना obviously इस केस में आप देख सकते हो कि थोड़ा animation boring लग रहा है, because there is a single animation happening position, and obviously मेरे second image है वो थोड़ा rotated है. So what I will do, I'll come back to the null, I'll press Shift R, and let's I think the animation is in the rotation is in Z. Yeah, so I'll keyframe the Z axis. I'll move to the 6 whatever time it is, so it's 5 second 14 frame, and then I'll rotate it. Now you'll see, you'll get a very cool animation happening, because now we are animating the position and the rotation both. If I play,
सर इसके पीछे वो भी लगाना होगा ना बैकग्राउंड एक.
हाँ हाँ आते हैं. See, problem क्या है ना, right now if I put a background now, so you will have a problem. See the problem, दिख रहा है? This is very hard stage. You can put it right now, but इसको बाद में देखते हैं.
ओके सर.
So इसको कैसे blend करेंगे background के साथ, वो हम लोग देखेंगे. So I got the first an image to rotate. Let's come to the from second to the third image. So coming back to my main comp, to the null layer, I'll hold keyframe. Why I'm putting in hold keyframe? Because I do not want an animation from this time to this time. Say कि 5 सेकंड से 8 सेकंड तक मैं कोई भी animation नहीं चाहता. So I applied a hold keyframe here, add keyframe. Then I will move to my third image. Change the color to blue. Okay, so on this now, where is my third image? My third image is far behind. So let's bring that image again. The same timing I will take somewhere around, and then I'll select the null object, and then you have to play with it. All you need to do is just try to bring this image here. Don't worry about this image कि ये कहाँ जा रहा है. I am holding shift ताकि इसको मैं जल्दी से ला सकूं. Don't worry about this image कि कहाँ जा रहा है, वो जहाँ जा रहा है जाने दो. Just try to bring this image. So let's see. Okay, now I want to do a rotation. So I'll just do a rotation otherwise. So I'll take a full whole 1 degree rotation. Yeah, like this. I'll change the color to green.